little overgrown, not bad. Gonna have to wait. What are you gonna do, Mac Daddy? Going over or under? What is going on, lady boys? We're out here. We got Mac Daddy. Oh, what is he doing right off the bat? Oh, what over Tom or Dana? Still don't even go over that rock. Off to trying to show you guys up. That's what's going on. Trying to do a little showing off here. He's got his bike running again, rolled off the couch, and he's like, hey, he's like, what are you doing? And I'm like, oh, I'm going trailblazing. No, don't follow me off everything. I'm gonna try to go blind, blow him by us. But anyway, oh, we're slipping. He's like, oh, I want to go. I'm like, oh, no, I'm going trailblazing. Like, you know, it's better when you're by yourself because you don't gotta wait for anybody. He's like, oh no. He's like, fill my bike up. He's like, we're going. I'm like, oh god, here we go. So he's out here, straight off the couch, and he wants to hang with us. But anyway, I got some exciting news, guys. I've had the same merch for a while, and I'm gonna do a huge blowout. Like, I'm talking huge. We're gonna do 40% off the entire store. That just doesn't make sense. Yeah, 40% off. And then I'm gonna start designing all new merch and everything so we can just start this game over. And I want to do I'm gonna do some cool new shirts, but we're gonna do it through Teespring. And so it's a little bit easier. I haven't wanted to do it because it's more like, it's more authentic to, like, you know, get the shirts, do it all myself, but it turned into so much. I got so many other companies going that it's just really hard to manage, and then sometimes I get your stuff out too late. So they make them, and as soon as you order them, ship them out that same day. So it's all legit, and it's just better off. So we're doing 40% off. You're gonna use the code ladyboys. I'll put it right here on the screen, and don't hit me. Yeah. Oh, okay. Ladyboys, 40% off the entire store. I'm talking, that means everything. And I mean, pretty much just my cost. We're just blowing it out and get some new stuff in here. So it'll be fun. Excited. Head over there. I'll have the link in the bio. You guys can go buy that stuff. And yeah, I'll get that stuff shipped out. I'm gonna have some little workers in there too, so it won't just be me in there. I'll have them helping, so we'll get that stuff shipped out super fast, and it'll be fun. Anyway, enough of that stuff. Come on, Mac Daddy. You're gonna have to hang if you're gonna be in a trailblazing video. They expect us to go fast. Let's go. Today we are heading out. The sun is just right in my eyes. We're gonna go hit some of the trials trails, and they're super cool. You're going through the trees. I haven't been through them for a while, so we're gonna see if they're overgrown or what's going on, you know. Hopefully get some cool footage, but let's get ripping. All right, you ready? Just had to revive Mac Daddy with a cheeseburger. Should be good to go, right?
Got my insulin level back up.
Sugar level's low.
Got my blood sugar back up.
Shoving some candy down his throat to get him going again. He's saying the dust is really affecting him. Which, I mean, I bet it is. The sun is like right in our eyes too. The dust sucks, so he's just hanging back a little bit. Whoa! This is cool. This is cool. Oh. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! It's so sketchy and slick out. Head down there, go on that trail. When you come out, go over and then back down. Got it?
Back down there?
Yeah, back down there.
Not up there.
No. They go up and then back down. Come on. Let's go. Woo, a little overgrown, not bad. You're gonna have to wick it up just a little bit. Straight! There you go. You guys gotta admit though, not bad for a 74-year-old man. I mean, pretty old. The dude gets out here, he's just ripping. On a big old 450 too. I mean, he's better than Dana too. That's the sad part. Like Dana, you ride for a living, and then a 78-year-old man comes and just smokes you. You ready?
Should I go that way?
Yeah. Whoa! That scared him. There you go. Whoa, where's he going? Whatever, just stay tight that way. And not that I know where I'm going really, I'm just, that's like going. See how he does through here. There you go, feet on the pegs. Not bad. I taught him well. Go. His arm pump should be setting in here any minute. People that don't ride, like, you know, every day, they don't understand how, like, because first off, if you haven't rode that much at a higher speed, you're death gripping the bars, which is the worst possible thing you could possibly do. Just holding on way too tight. So sure, definitely doing that. And then yeah, it just gets to you, especially all these tight corners, and you really got to be on your game. Whoa! Look at him go. Give him a little push. Come on! Where are you going? He's just gonna roost me. Let's try this way. He's a little bit scared of it. Oh yeah. Still beat him. Try that way. See what we can get ourselves into. Oh yeah, this is overgrown. Pull them there. Whoa! Damn! Alright, back on trail. Where are you going? Crazy man. Oh, that old 450 gets big in here. Big and clunky. Oh, we should have went up that way. That way's hard. Up here. You good? How's it going?
Thought we were gonna stay on the street.
No, I told you we were going in the dirt.
Holy hell.
No fire roads.
Surprised we didn't run over any giant rattlesnakes.
I just seen one yesterday.
Did you?
A dead one, yeah. It was fresh. Big rattlesnake. Oh.
Big right now.
Oh, that scares me. Gives me the heebie-jeebies. Alright, we'll hope this thing is recording. Whoa! Alright, we're taking him down here. We're going to hit the street on the way back. And we're going to have a little wheelie comp. He taught me how to wheelie when I was probably 8 or 9. He'd sit there and we'd just do wheelies in the street all day. My neighbors just loved it. And then, so, he taught me everything, but we'll see. We'll see. I might be able to get him now. Oh yeah, not bad. All right, Daddy. Ooh, ooh. Sometimes you just gotta take the harder lines, go into the ruts. Practice. So when you're in a race or something, you accidentally take the bad line. You're like, all right, this is nothing. I hit these for fun out in the hills. You know, if you're always taking the easy line, then a little iffy. Back this way. Alright, let's go up here. Oh, I like this. Look, this looks good. All right, we just got our thumbnail. That took a little bit of effort, and we're heading down right here. This does get a little bit hairy because there is some pretty gnarly growths going on here, but we're heading down. Then we're gonna have our little wheelie contest. See who takes the W. Oh, first gate. Kind of just like a, hey, you probably shouldn't be going this way kind of deal, you know. Then you hit the next gate and it's like, hey, you definitely shouldn't be here. And then you see the guy's gigantic, oh, it's a Christmas tree farm down there. Silly me. I thought that was a weed grow operation. There's a gigantic Christmas tree farm. They're like 10 feet around. They smell really funny, like a skunk. That's not weed. It's probably totally legal too. Alright, time to ride dirty for y'all. I mean, it's legal because my bike is plated, so you guys don't have to worry about me if the cops come or anything. And we're in Mexico too, on a closed road. There's like my little shroud there, it's custom. Did it myself. It really helps because if you notice, you want to fall over to the left, and then that shroud really helps. It kind of pulls you over and just makes you super sketchy when you're wheeling. So then you're like those like the wheelie boys all over the place.
My clutch took a dump.
Your clutch?
My clutch is fried.
No way. Oh, his clutch completely took a dump on him. What the heck? Unless it's the back tire. Hit the brakes. No? Sometimes the rear tire, if it's flat, the rim will spin. But his clutch definitely took a dump on him. That sucks. Supposed to have a wheelie comp. Oh, he's going. Alright, ladyboys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's me and my dad out cruising. It was a lot of fun. We will be back in a couple days with another video. I got some stuff in the works, so don't forget 40% off the entire store. All you got to use, oh, we almost ate it, is ladyboys. Alright, I'll put it right here again. Go down, I'll have the link in the bio. Everything 40% off. Get it while it's there, because it is not coming back. I'm not bringing it back. I've had it for so long. It's gonna be a classic. So get it while you can. Thanks for all the support, guys. Peace out, ladyboys.